These printed shoes showcased their excellence during their debut at Paris Fashion Week. What truly captivates is the fact that they were skillfully crafted by none other than Dior, the esteemed French company. Dior firmly believes in the diverse interpretations of craftsmanship, and for their latest Dior Men Winter 2023-24 collection, they ventured into the realm of 3D printing. Rather than starting from scratch, Dior utilized the existing Dior Carlo model as the foundation for these remarkable shoes. The French team employed scanning techniques and experimented with various textures, resulting in a stunning 3D printed version that materialized within a mere 12 hours. While the insole and tongue retain the artistry of leather craftsmanship, the shoes maintain their lightweight nature and offer exceptional ventilation. By 2030, it is projected that there could be approximately 145 million electric cars globally, even without any support from the authorities. However, with the authorities' backing, this number could increase to 230 million electric cars on the roads. The creators of these charging stations have a mission to have 1 billion electric cars on the roads, and they are actively working on expanding the infrastructure. Their charging stations are designed to enable a quick replacement of depleted batteries with fresh ones, a process that only takes 5 to 10 minutes. Moreover, this method costs significantly less, 3 to 10 times less, than traditional charging methods. The deployment of a network of stations on a city scale can be accomplished within a matter of weeks. These stations are also compatible with solar panels and wind turbines, promoting renewable energy usage. Furthermore, these charging stations are fully automated and require only 2 parking spaces, allowing for easy attachment to locations such as hypermarkets. The designers have already established test stations in San Francisco and secured a $15 million grant. Their accomplishments have gained recognition from notable publications like Forbes, Bloomberg, and Time. Imagine the purpose behind this unique-looking car. It is actually being meticulously prepared to establish a world record. The objective is to cover a distance of over 2,056 kilometers while consuming less than 1 kilogram of hydrogen as fuel. If this endeavor proves successful, the car will claim the title of the most efficient hydrogen-powered vehicle in existence. What adds to the astonishment is that a group of Dutch students has been responsible for constructing this remarkable vehicle. The car incorporates advanced aerodynamics and utilizes tires with a coefficient of friction 300 times lower than conventional ones. These compact, lightweight, and environmentally friendly cars, according to the students, represent the future. By showcasing the extraordinary efficiency of hydrogen as an energy carrier, the team aims to ignite inspiration and motivation among individuals and companies to contribute to a more sustainable future. In addition to their dedication to efficiency and environmental friendliness, this team is now venturing into a much larger endeavor. Their latest project involves a device designed to harness wave energy and convert it into electricity. With a substantial investment of $13 million, they have already financed a test version capable of generating 1.5 megawatts of power. The principle behind this device's operation is surprisingly straightforward. As waves create pressure fluctuations, the air within the rubber membranes is set in motion, subsequently rotating the turbine. Remarkably, these membranes serve as the only external moving components of the entire unit. The 1.5 megawatt station has dimensions of 75 by 15 meters, and alongside this innovation, the team is also involved in developing wind turbines to optimize the energy potential of various locations. The future holds promising prospects, especially considering that the global offshore energy market is projected to reach 500 gigawatts by 2050. A captivating experiment was conducted by a group of scientists from France and Japan, involving the creation of a robotic sixth finger and its attachment to the left hands of volunteers. The primary objective of this study was to observe the brain's response to this innovative augmentation. The additional finger was controlled independently from the others, utilizing sensors placed on the forearm that detected muscle activity. The participants were assigned various tasks, such as bending their fingers in a random order and pressing keys on a tablet. The results yielded fascinating insights into the relatively rapid changes in perception that occurred. However, certain nuances surfaced during specific tests. For example, when volunteers were required to touch a line with their little finger without visual guidance, they began to question the finger's position in space. The scientists are particularly focused on understanding the boundaries of acceptance when it comes to artificial limbs. The data obtained from this experiment will undoubtedly prove invaluable for manufacturers of prostheses and researchers in this field, as they strive to enhance their understanding and develop advancements in prosthetic technology. Numerous drones face a shared challenge of consuming excessive energy when faced with strong winds. However, a Swiss startup has come up with an innovative solution, a drone equipped with 4 adaptable wings. These wings possess the capability to fold, rotate, and tilt back within a range of 90 degrees, enabling the drone to dynamically adjust to prevailing wind conditions. Consequently, energy consumption can be significantly reduced by up to 85% in certain scenarios. The startup proposes the utilization of their product for tasks such as inspecting power lines, capitalizing on the drone's enhanced energy efficiency. However, it is worth noting that the current battery life allows for approximately 17 minutes of flight time per charge. In the meantime, a Canadian company has made significant strides in developing a range of drones that cater to similar needs. Although these drones do not possess transforming wings like their Swiss counterpart, they are well suited for rescue operations in confined and demanding environments. Whether it involves navigating buildings, mines, or forests, these drones exhibit seamless hovering, backward flight, and tilting capabilities as per the requirements of the situation. The top models within this drone family offer an impressive 150 minutes of flight time, surpassing many others in the market. Users can choose between internal combustion or electric engines, providing flexibility based on their specific requirements. These versatile drones are capable of handling payloads starting from approximately 2 kilograms, further enhancing their adaptability for various tasks.